What's up guys, Carson Teagarden here. Today I'm going to be showing you everything I did to achieve the muscle up. I'm going to be showing you first just how to do the muscle up. Then I'm going to be showing you some workouts or some things that I did to progress up to doing the full muscle up. We're going to start with basically the movements and how to do the muscle up. The muscle up is an explosive pull up into a straight bar dip. Alright, so the first thing I like to do to start my muscle up is grip shoulder length apart. And whatever's your strongest, whatever you feel the best on the pull-up bar, but I feel the best like this. Alright, now most people won't get a little swing, they'll just stay stagnant and then they'll try to pull up, which is super hard. You're allowed to get a little bit of a swing, so you can jump up and swing a little bit backwards. Alright, now don't hang on the bar for so long. As soon as you jump on, try to get into that muscle up so you're not hanging on and losing strength. Alright, now what I like to do is I like to jump on the bar, I like to swing a little bit. As I'm swinging forward, I drop my scapulas, and as I'm coming back, I pull them up and explode as hard as I can. It's gonna look like. You move, down, up, explode. Down, as you're moving back, explode. Forward, as you're moving back, explode. Okay, and what you can do is you can use your knees to kind of help you drive up, but as you get stronger and stronger, you're not going to use your knees. So it'll look like this using your knees. So it's going to help you pull that momentum up. You guys will have to practice that a little bit. I had to kind of figure out how to, as you're coming back, to go like that. The hardest part for people is they can kind of get explosive up, but they can't make that transition. So a way to work on that transition, grab a resistance band and just stick your feet or 2 feet in, and then all you're going to do is just basically the muscle up, but the resistance band is going to help pull you up, and that'll help you figure out the form, and it'll help you to, if you're not strong enough, to gain that strength with it. If you can't do it with a resistance band or anything, would be jumping muscle ups. Okay, so jumping muscle ups and also negative muscle ups. So you're going to jump up, get that movement, and then a negative, you're going to slowly go down to get used to those muscle fibers holding you and doing the muscle up. So make sure, if you guys cannot do that at all, that you're practicing those different things. Guys, so now I'm going to be telling you some workouts that I did to help me build up strength, to build explosive strength, so I'm able to get that muscle up. So the first thing that I did was basically just pull-ups. So up, chin over the bar. You need to be able to do, you don't have to do like people say you have to do 10, you have to do that. You don't have to be able to do that. But make sure you can have a fundamental of how to do the pull-up. The next thing is the explosive pull-up. Since the muscle up is an explosive movement where you're pulling as hard as you can over the bar, you want to work on that explosive. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bar just like a pull-up, but instead you're going to pretend like you're going to a muscle up, and explode as hard as you can, and try to get as far as you can on your body. So chest, and just to keep exploding. So explosive muscle up. Now once you have the explosive muscle up and the muscle up, to get more strength you can do weighted pull-ups. So get a chain or a belt, or just put a dumbbell in between your feet and do pull-ups with some weight, and that'll help you build muscle and strength, which I've done a lot to get the muscle up. To gain strength and to get the muscle up quickly is going to be a drop set kind of thing. You guys can do one muscle up, or maybe even two. What you're going to do is you're going to max out your muscle ups. Alright, but say you can't do a muscle up, and once you max out your muscle ups or can't do a muscle up, you can get to the top of the bar. You're going to do straight bar dips and max out as many as those as you can. And then when you normally stop and give up, you're going to come down and max out explosive pull-ups or just pull-ups. And then when normally you would do one muscle up and then be done, you're going to do the muscle up, straight bar dips, then pull ups, so your muscles are still fatiguing and growing strength. That is one of the best ways to really get the muscle up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any other videos, tell me in the comments, any how-to, any workouts, anything, make sure you put it in comments. And that is how I achieved the muscle up, everything that I've done, and everything that I'm still doing. Make sure you guys keep working hard every day. Keep pushing through no matter what. And that's how you do the muscle up.